And so yun guys, this is Josh from Suzuki Auto Caloocan. So itakal natin kung ano yung mga features ng Suzuki Ertiga na I think magiging pasok sa inyo, especially sa mga big size families dyan. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga features na applicable para sa inyo kung bakit si Suzuki Ertiga ang kukunin nyo ngayon as your brand new 7-seaters from Suzuki. So guys, simulan natin sa engine specs. So under the hood, we use a 1.5 liter gasoline engine with a hybrid features. So yung pagiging hybrid niya guys, it can give you additional fuel range lalo na for long drive and even city driving, lalo na sa Metro Manila traffic. And pagdating naman po sa grille ni Suzuki Ertiga, we use a very elegant grille design. Gumamit din tayo ng projector type headlamps para mas maganda yung distribution nito lalo na kapag night driving, and also meron na rin siyang fog lamp. At kapag dating naman po sa ground clearance, meron tayong 180mm na ground clearance, which is very useful yan sa mga biglaang ulan na hindi kayo basa-basa mapapasok ng tubig, especially kapag bumaha. Tapos guys, we use a two-tone 15-inch alloy wheels for Suzuki Ertiga GLX. And pagdating naman sa design, Suzuki Ertiga uses a side mirror with integrated turn signals. Tapos meron din siyang chrome accents dito sa door handle. Lahat po ng door handles natin is merong chrome accents. At kapag dito naman po guys sa driver's seat and the passenger side po, so as you see guys, makakita kayo ng D-shaped steering wheel na merong wood grain accent panels. Tapos meron din tayong standard cruise control, multimedia controls, and answer and drop calls button po. Tapos guys, ang pinakamaganda rin dito guys, we use a keyless ignition system. So push start na po siya. Meron din tayong 10-inch touchscreen na merong Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then we use also a auto climate aircon. Meron din tayong ventilated cup holders, 4-speed automatic transmission, and we have a 2-inch screen for multi-information display. So this one will give you additional information about your car, especially on your hybrid system. At kapag dating naman po dito sa second row seats ni Suzuki Ertiga, meron tayo kagad makikita na rear aircon vents for additional comfortability ng pasahero natin dito sa rear seats. Tapos guys, as you see, I'm a 5'11" in height po. So ito pa po yung legroom na meron tayo for second row seats ni Suzuki Ertiga. So very spacious pa rin and comfortable pa rin. Pakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano tayo makakapasok dito sa last row seats ni Suzuki Ertiga. So, and so yun guys, as you see, dahil nakaupo na tayo dito sa last row seats ni Suzuki Ertiga, I highly suggest na ang pwede nyo paupuin dito is mga bata. So at least mga 3 bata, or kung kasi laki ko naman, since 5'11" ako, at least 2. Tapos good thing din dito guys, meron tayong armrest na meron na rin cup holders. Ganon din po sa kabila. Then meron din tayong safety features dito guys, which is the 3-point ELR system. Ayun guys, very sensitive po ang ELR ng Suzuki. So imagine, konting hatak lang naglalak po siya kagad. So yung mga additional features po ni Suzuki. Ayan. So pagdating sa safety, last row seats, hindi pa rin compromise yung safety natin. At kapag dating naman po dito sa rear portion ni Suzuki Ertiga, meron na rin po tayo additional features, which is itong mga rear defogger system natin, and meron na rin tayong wiper. Tapos meron din tayong third brake light, combination po ng tail lights, na meron din tayong chrome accents dito for additional elegance din sa Suzuki Ertiga natin. Tapos guys, since hybrid nga po si Suzuki Ertiga, as you see, meron na rin po tayong hybrid emblem dito sa likuran natin. Tapos guys, ito yung pinaka number 1 features na magugustuhan nyo. Suzuki Ertiga GLX is meron na rin siyang built-in na reverse camera with reverse sensor. So we have 2 eye parking sensors for Suzuki Ertiga with a combination of reverse camera. And that's it guys. Ang price po pala ni Suzuki Ertiga GLX is 1,178,000 with a down payment of 1,000 all-in for specific bank promos, and 20,000 naman po for other banks, and ang monthly niya po is nasa 24,000 lang. So all you have to do is you can just call my number 0956-627-0386 at para mapasayo ng susi ng Suzuki Ertiga na to.